Let's draw the lines. Draw the lines. Tap the dots. Draw the lines. Draw the lines. Draw the square. Draw the square. Try starting from the dot. Finish the drawing. Finish the drawing. You got a star. Come back tomorrow for another one. Let's learn how to write the letter M. Now it's your turn. Try writing the letter M. Write the letter M. Write the letter M. Write the letter M. Write the letter M. Which of these things starts with M? Monkey. Milk. Which of these letters says M? M. Tap on the letter M every time you see it. W, W, W. M, M, M. Which letter does moon start with? Try again. M. Tap on the things that start with the letter M. Milk. Hill starts with egg, starts with monkey. Cup starts with C. Horse starts with moon. Mouse.